FairPrice Fantastic Foodventures presents Escape from Mount Teriyaki, a minced chicken rice ball recipe. On our adventure today, we have our friends Worried Carrot, Calm Corn, and Panicky Peas. Calm Corn, Panicky Peas, and Worried Carrot are hiking snowy Mount Teriyaki on a sunny Sunday morning. "What beautiful weather," says Calm Corn to his friends as they hike up the snowy mountain. And all of a sudden, the ground begins to shake. Could Mount Teriyaki be erupting? "Oh no! What's happening?" says the friends. Panicky Peas start panicking. Worried Carrot starts worrying. But Calm Corn calms the group with a clever idea. "Okay guys, here's the plan. If we stick together and roll down the snowy mountain, we can outrun the eruption," says Calm Corn. The friends held on to each other for dear life and began to roll. Whee! Soon, they pick up speed and turn into a rice ball. With the help of the snow, they roll down faster than ever. The friends breathe a sigh of relief as they make it down safely. Mount Teriyaki finally erupts behind them, but instead of lava, it spews teriyaki sauce for a truly sweet finishing touch. We made it! Phew! This holiday, take your kids on a family cooking adventure to try our minced chicken rice balls recipe. And remember, keep calm and carry on. See you guys soon!